Welcome guys, so today I am with the Nubia Red Magic 6R and I want to show you camera tricks and tips for this device. So at the first, when we are in the camera application, we can use the zoom feature. As you can see right here, we got the presets, so we can go for the 10x even. Let's turn off the AI. Oh, right now it looks better. And you can also zoom in and zoom out by pinching screen with your two fingers. So if you wonder about the maximum zoom on this phone, we can zoom in to the 10 times. When you click and hold already selected preset, wait a minute, never mind, it is not working, but in the most cases you can just enable like manual slider. Next, we can change the brightness level by moving the sun icon, so you can decrease or increase brightness level. You can click on the screen once to adjust it automatically. Next, you can click right here to enable different filters. When you use the volume buttons, when you click once on the volume up or volume down, you can take photo. You can also click and hold it to take series of the photo. It works the same for the both volume buttons, and that's the same function on the shutter speed. I mean on the shutter. Okay, right now we can go for the settings, where we can enable, for example, the shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. And next, when you open the settings, we can, for example, turn off the shutter sound, and we can enable few useful options like touch to take photo, or read lines. You can also check the resolution. So if you want to get more details on the photo, I can recommend you to hit the 64 megapixel mode and take a look right now. The grid lines appears on the screen. When you want to take photo with the touch option, just click on the screen once, and that's how it works, really smooth. If you want to get more modes, you can go for the camera family option, and as you can see right here, you can find a ton of the different modes. For example, very useful is the clone mode. So right now we can take photo like that, then try to do not move your phone. You can put other objects in the preview, take the photo, click to save, and as you can see, take a look how it looks right now. So basically you can clone objects on your photos. Click here to save. You can also find the very funny looking mode that's called Phantom. It looks like you are dizzy. You can record video of this mode. What is next? I think we can go for the art camera, where you can find these presets. When you take photo, just take a look how it changed. And honestly, that's all the tips and tricks that I can show you on the Nubia Red Magic 6R. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.